We want to focus mostly on water supply because this is the biggest challenge that we have here in Kakamega. And for me, this is something that has come out as my main area of focus. I'm meant to understand that you are giving us $15 million for 8 counties. And Kakamega, we are going to get around $2 million. And for me, that should just be a tip of the iceberg. Well, there's many things that we can do together in terms of capacity building, not just in water supply alone, even on matters governance. The areas which we have proposed that we will focus on in terms of solarization of boreholes and water projects, that is one of the areas. Smart metering, we will want to give it priority. Issues around pipeline extension and rehabilitation. We're also looking at one of our rehabilitation plants in Tindinho. We are looking at protection of water springs, around 100 springs per year, very critical for us. Conservation and protection of the catchment areas and the riparian areas is very critical for us. And as I said, capacity building of our staff is also one of the areas that we'll want to apply the facility. And then, of course, construction of water storage tanks. I know water is normally a very scarce commodity, and yet we have the capacity of having the tanks. So when we invest in storage tanks, it will help us to ensure that we have sufficient supply of water.
The project is looking at benefiting over 850,000 people with new water, with new safe water, clean and affordable. It's looking at 5 components. One component is dealing with urban water services. And when we look at urban water services, our focus area will be supporting the county to deliver water services to the urban areas. And in this particular component, we'll be working very closely with Kapuasco, which is having the responsibility of delivering water services to the town residents of the Kakamega County. Under that, we'll be supporting the county to ensure that they extend services to more people. Then also helping build the capacity of the utility to be able to undertake this mandate. This project is looking at leveraging over and above the $24 million that the USAID has supported the project with, another $15 million to be able to be injected into the program. We'll be looking at this in 2 fronts. We'll be working very closely with the public sector to be able to attract more financing to the water department, and of course the private sector as well.